Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So, I'm pretty much in my little small office space kind of place. You know what I'm saying? Got my desk and everything and my plant up there, so it's all good. But anyway, like the whole purpose of starting this right now is my friend, Gabby, she messaged me and she was like, she sent me a picture of an egg and I was thinking it's maybe something about like a diet or something, and I was like, yo, what's that for? And she's like, a few weeks ago she drove around with an egg in her car. She took a regular egg out of the fridge and it hatched. And I'm like, yo, what the hell? I want to see you do that. So she's doing it again, and I guess she's gonna send me pictures and like, or show me when it hatches. I don't know, but like I'm kind of excited for that because I remember when I was a kid, I used to. I remember I used to take an egg out of the fridge and I put it in clothes because I was like hoping that this egg would hatch so I could finally have a pet. You know, I guess that's why I like pets, because I always really wanted one. So I kind of want to do that still. Like I would try doing it, but like I don't really drive around. I don't really drive very often, so maybe I'll put it in my car and it will hatch and then it will just die of heat in the hot car. So let's see, Gabby. I'm looking forward to that. Guys, so right now we pretty much have some really exciting news right now. We're like 4 subscribers away from being at the big 1,000. I'm really excited about that because, as I always said, I started out thinking I'm going to only have 10 subscribers, and well, I started hoping to at least get 10 subscribers. Now I've grown so much with so many of you, and I've always said, like, to some people they go, only 1,000. For me, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of people who've seen me or gotten to know me and have shared information with me and, you know, connected with me in some way or the other. So like I'm really excited about that. The good thing about that, it means that, because a few days ago, February the 20th, they demonetized my channel, meaning like I won't make anything from it until I get back to 1,000, and they're gonna review the channel again and then decide to say, okay, boom. So that's a good thing for me, because I don't know if you guys know, like, you don't make a lot of money, you know, starting off from YouTube. Like, to give you a lowdown, like the honest truth, if I post a video now and I get up to my usual like 300 views or 400 views or whatever, like at the end of the day I get like $3, if I get so lucky, like $3 or something like that, which is not really a lot compared to, like, you know, how much work and how much dedication we put into it, and to, you know, pay for trips or to do whatever. But I'm still appreciative of you, the people who have clicked that like button, people who do share sometimes. I think you guys need to be sharing a lot more. Share your culture, guys. Like, share the videos if you really like it. Get our channel to grow more. Because as I said to my girlfriend the other day, like, I'm the type of person where if you mess with me, like in a good way, like guaranteed I'm gonna hit you back in that very same manner or even better. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I want to grow for the channel, where I want to be able to not just show you guys places, but I want to take you guys places as well. I want our channel to like earn where I can be like, yo, 10 people, like, let's take a trip, let's go do something. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it's possible. It's really freaking possible, because if I'm getting 300 views on a channel and I can make like $1 or $3, can you imagine if I'm getting like 1 million views? Bruh, like, we can get there, and we are going to get there to that point. I haven't forgotten about the shirts, guys. I do remember about the shirts. My issue was, you know, getting the money and getting the funds to actually do it. Plus I was also thinking in my head, you know, what would be a cheaper option but still maintain some form of quality. But I'm at the point, like, it's just like, screw it, you know, you're my family and you guys mess with me, and I want to be able to reach out to you. I want to give you guys something where you can hold it and you can tangibly say, like, not only have I like been a part of your life, but I can actually touch something and remember it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be working on that. I hope it doesn't cost me too much, but like, I'm definitely gonna get that done. I worked on one trip already. Like, I booked one, a small trip that Judah and I are gonna take. You know, it's a little bit different. I think you guys are gonna like this because I'm trying to find places where are different, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people when they come to Jamaica, they're like, yo, where did I go? And I want to be able to be that reference for you guys to show you, like, you know, check this place out. So I got one of those. My issue, because I have ideas, but my issue is like getting the people to actually mess with me. When I say like people, I can say, yo, trip, you know what I'm saying? And they can go, okay, I got my money and I'm ready to go. Because that's a part of an adventure vlog. Like I need to be able to have people like that to really get that, you know, get that happening. But that's pretty much a lowdown right now. Judah's gone to work and I have the dog. Vanilla is here with me. Some of you might see me post on Instagram or Snapchat with her and stuff. So she's here with me right now. Oh, another thing I want to talk to you guys about, like, guys, click the notification bell. Like whenever if you don't get notifications, try look for the bell. There's a bell there under the bottom of the video, or beside subscribe, things on the left of subscription or subscribe. Click it. That way you get notifications. Sometimes YouTube does not give the notifications immediately. I generally post on the weekend. Like if I don't post Friday, it's going to be Saturday. If it's not Saturday, it's Sunday. Today I have vlogs already done, edited. Like I have like 4 vlogs already edited and just waiting for you guys. But I started uploading the vlog, and for today's Friday. It was supposed to drop for today at 10 a.m. but when I woke up in the morning, there was like an error on the video, so I had to re-upload. And the upload on the internet here isn't as fast as Judah's. Because if I was at Judah, I can upload that vlog in like 30 minutes. But I'm not gonna go over her house for a minute, so I can't upload. So this video is gonna take like, I think it's like at an hour before this one is done. So I'm gonna put out that video Saturday morning, plus I have the Valentine's video that's coming out hopefully tomorrow too. So whenever you guys see me post 2 videos in one day, that's normally what happens. There's some mishap with the internet, because Jamaican internet sucks, especially Flow really sucks. So yeah, I've been trying to get to Digicel, to be quite honest, but like I think I already told you guys that story or whatever, but that's the issue. But anyway, I'm gonna hop to the supermarket really quick. I'm gonna go to Megamart really fast because Judah want me to get some breakfasty stuff because she want to make breakfast tomorrow morning. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy tomorrow's vlog. I hope you guys, you know, watch it, click the like, keep watching the ads that you like, you know, and keep supporting the thing, guys, because I 100% love you. And let's go to the supermarket really quick. I don't even know if I can camera a camera, because the last time I had my camera there, someone was kind of like, you know, yeah. Alright guys, somebody at Megamart. I've been searching for Judah's snack, but I can't find it. I only find like she like Bigfoot. This one she tried the other day and she was okay with it. This is a new one, I wanted to try that one. But her snack, I can't find it. Like I see it in other flavor, but I don't know. I gotta go and search on a little bit more and think. Yeah, but you know what's funny, guys? Like my cousin was telling, not my cousin, but my sister's friend was telling me about like some people where I don't know them what, like this guy probably like proposed to his girl at Tutti and the girl run away. Like you guys know I have to always reach for the best. Like I just love Malta. I'm sorry, that's my thing. That alright, so Judah said breakfasty stuff, and I guess in her terms it's not like Jamaican breakfasty stuff, it's like eggs and bacon and pancake mix. Oh, pancake mix. I know I forgot something. I'm gonna try to pick up something for the dog as well, for her dog. Get her some dog food, you know what I'm saying? So it's a small puppy, but I'm still getting her. I think I'm gonna go with country stew. She might like that. Guys, I freaking hit jackpot, like 100%, bro. Like I've been looking for dog scraps for a while, and I finally found some dog scraps. My dogs are gonna be living large, man. Like I need to find out like when is it I can come here to get dog scraps, but there's a lot of this shit here, and I'm like really happy because I like feeding them meat, you know, something different. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna go home and cook. Nah, I might not cook it up right now, but yeah. Like I low-key know my hands smell like shit right now, to be very honest. Like Jano, but I had to take that up. I think maybe like on the weekend is a good time to go there to get these stuff. So yeah, I need to feed my dogs meat, man. And now I see Eggos here, but to be honest, like I think I want Eggos over pancakes, to be honest. So I'm gonna go for the buttermilk
That's my favorite. One thing I like about America, like in America, you can get like, you can wait on days where they have like 2-for-1 specials. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for the buttermilk, but I don't see it, so I'm just gonna stick with the maybe the home style. Screw it, home style. Home style it is. I know Judah likes pickles, so that's fine. And of course, bacon. So Old McDonald's. That's what, $4.53. Pioneer. I think this is less bacon. I'm gonna check this out. All right, so we went with the Old McDonald's. Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I don't know if some of you all notice or not, but like one thing that I've noticed with life, especially when you're ordering stuff, when you're buying stuff, like some people, they go for the most expensive stuff or stuff that are name brand. Well, to be honest, you might notice that a lot of stuff are very generic, meaning like, for example, something like bacon. Most bacon pretty much tastes the same, you know what I'm saying? So like, why are you gonna pay for a more expensive brand if it's not, let's say, if it's not like a different flavor kind of bacon, it's the same damn bacon, you're just paying for the brand. That doesn't make any sense, you know what I'm saying? Some things, however, you can't really cut the corners with. For example, if you really want a really good ice cream, don't try to buy like a knockoff brand, because the quality is going to be like really downtrodden. But like some actual products you can actually, you know, substitute, and it's perfectly fine. But yeah, this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Like, right now I'm not going to check the price for eggs because like I don't have the time to do that right now. But generally a dozen eggs is a dozen eggs, right? So why would you pay like $50 more for eggs because of a different brand? That doesn't make any sense at all. Unless one egg is like free range or something, or one egg of a big abatool or something where you can lick some really big egg. Well, let me take that back because they don't let it from their asses. I remember when I was going to high school, if you ever ate egg, it was like a big problem because people would say, yeah, I'm batty food. It was so strange. So pretty much I got everything I think that Judah would want, which is breakfasty. So I got the bacon, put it down there with the meat. I got orange juice, I got eggs, I got waffles in replacement of pancakes, and eggs of course. And I got some additional stuff that I don't really need, like for example Malta. Well, Judah snacks, she needed those, and dog food. So yeah, I think we're pretty lit. I'm gonna go home, make some dog food for my dogs, and call it the end of the day. Like, I'm low-key considering buying a ball for my dogs to keep them preoccupied outside, but I don't trust this. This seems that they can easily bite into it, even though it's bigger than their mouth. But I really don't trust this, and I don't want to waste my money buying a ball for them because they've been digging holes and I need to keep them preoccupied. So I'll probably want like something that's a little bit more firmer, but you know, roll around so they can play. But I ain't gonna waste my money on this right now. Like legit, I forgot where I parked. Like I was talking to my friend on the phone, like I just drove up and I didn't remember where the hell I parked. But guys, don't you guys just hate when these girls come out on the street in them like a battery rider and allow us to sin? God damn, man. Jeez, this girl was in the store just now and I was just like, God, don't look, bro. Do not look. And I had to look because I thought there was like a mosquito or something on her. You know what I'm saying? So I did look and I sinned, but Lord, please forgive me. But anyway, just now, like this girl, I think I know her from school, like from UTech or something. And this guy obviously was flirting with her or something. He said something kind of rude and she was a bit upset. But he felt embarrassed as shit. Like whatever he said, he felt embarrassed that he said it. Because when he saw me coming around the corner, he was like, God damn. And like he literally stopped and allowed me to walk past him. But that's one thing, and that's one reason why I never catcall. Like I don't care how good a girl looks. Like I really don't care how good you want to look. Like I'm gonna be the last person to call to you, to be quite honest. Like as long as I knew myself, like pretty much every girl that I've ever been with is either like just through mutual agreement, like we're vibe, isn't it? It's a good vibe and we just start talking. But me not catcall, I can't manage the embarrassment. But anyway guys, this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna go home, cook this for my... Hold on, stop that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna pretty much end this vlog. I'm gonna go home, cook my dog food, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna vlog tomorrow or anything like that. Maybe the next vlog that I do Get it? would be that trip I'm telling you about, because I don't want to really vlog anything like I want to go on a trip. I want to go on an adventure. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where them songs are from. Anyway guys, remember these 3 things. As always, love, nature, adaptation. Remember to keep the link. And if you love this video, you like watching the videos, you want to come and be a part of the team, hit the subscribe button. We're at the 1,000. I'm sure we're at 1,000 now. Catch you later. Keep the link. Put it on the vlog there, sir. Never sang y'all, but yes, we're living dangerously. Oh, we're living too dangerous for me. You're living dangerously. I'm living. What do you know about them? Yeah? Yo! I did my song here called song, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah. You just want bubble again, that's what I'm done out here, man. No. Yeah? Hey. I don't think I got one man sheep I eat around the place. Anyway guys, I'm going again, baby. See you guys later. Love, nature, adaptation. Keep the link, baby. No lie.